Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update. Today we have many important stories from South Sudan and also from around Africa and the world. Before we proceed with these stories, please I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. We have many important stories. First we are going to talk about Duke County, Jonglei State. Authorities say they have recovered 58 cows after a raid last weekend. Second, a Vietnam officer has been assigned to the United Nations peacekeeping mission here in South Sudan. Third, in Kenya, the Catholic Church has changed their holy wine after people start drinking the whole one in bar. Fourth, President Salva Kiir met the Deputy President of South Africa and they both promised to push forward the peace deal. And fifth, we look at the history of our army commander, where General Aturjang had the shortest time ever as Chief of Defense Forces. And finally, we have a breaking news. The new CDF, Dr. Polnang Majok, has ordered all checkpoints across South Sudan to be removed. Stay with us as we go deeper into each of these stories. Let's first look at our first top story in Duke County. Last Saturday morning at dawn, there was a cattle raid in Poktup. Either from Twitch East County had moved their animal there. Searching for better grass, suddenly army raider attacked and took away many cattle. Twitch's Commissioner George Arok say more than 300 cows were stolen, but later Duke Commissioner John Shatim say investigation showed the real number was 99 cows, not 300. Out of these, 58 cows have been recovered and 41 are still missing. This has caused some tension between the two counties. Duke leader said the raider came from Twitch East, while Twitch East leader want their animal returned quickly. Commissioner Shatim also say Twitch East should return 46 cows that were taken from a Duke resident, but Twitch East Commissioner Arok denied this, saying he only heard of one man who ran away and left his cow because of fear, not because the county took them. This showed the need for trust and cooperation between Duke and Twitch East. Already, the two sides has disagreement over both are going fishing island, and if leaders do not handle things carefully, more conflict may follow. Local leaders are calling for calm, saying communities must work together, not fight, because in the end, car may come and go, but peace is more important for the people. Let's take a look at our second top story. Vietnam officer joined UN peacekeeping in South Sudan. On Friday, Vietnam Major Lee, one of the brigade from Brigade 229 of the Engineer Corps, was officially sent to join the United Nations mission in South Sudan as a military observer. He replaced Captain Shu Tua, who served before him. Major Wang is not new to peacekeeping. He already worked in the Central African Republic, where he served for 1 year in 2022 up to 2023. At the ceremony, Vietnam Deputy Minister of Defense praised the officer, saying he has the skill, the discipline, and the training to serve the UN mission well. Vietnam is increasing its presence in peacekeeping mission. More than 1,300 Vietnam soldiers and officers have gone to different missions across the world, including South Sudan. For South Sudan, this is important because it shows international support for peace. When soldiers from different countries come here, they not only help keep security, but also bring hope that the people are not forgotten. Let's now go to Kenya, where the Catholic Church has changed the type of wine used in Holy Mass. Catholic altar wine replaced in Kenya. This is breaking news also. Before, the altar wine was produced by a local company. But the problem was that the same wine was also being sold in shop, hotel, and bar. This made many feel that this made many believers feel that the wine lost its only meaning. Now the Kenyan Conference of Catholic Bishops has introduced a new wine called Mass wine. I'm going to share with you the picture. This wine that you are seeing here was imported from South Africa. The bottle has a special label, the church coat of arms, and the bishop signature. It cannot be sold in normal shop. Archbishop Maurice Moatia Makumba said the move is to protect the holiness of the Eucharist because this wine represents the blood of Jesus Christ during Mass. Catholic in Kenya who number about 10 million welcome the move. They say this step will stop people from drinking the holy wine like any other alcohol. This shows how church can protect their tradition even when the modern world changes quickly. Okay, let's take a look at our fourth story. Kiir and South Africa Deputy President reaffirmed peace deal. Back to South Sudan, President Salva Kiir met with South Africa Deputy President Paul Mashatile in Juba this week. The two leaders agreed that the only way to lasting peace in South Sudan is to fully implement the peace agreement. The meeting focused on several key points: writing a permanent constitution, finalizing security arrangement, preparing for the national election in December 2026. South Africa is one of the main guarantor of the peace deal. They supported South Sudan during the liberation struggle and they continue to stand with the country today. Officials from both sides say the talks were friendly and constructive. They also discussed investment and economic cooperation between the two nations. For ordinary South Sudanese, this is a reminder that the world is watching. The government must move faster with peace so that election can be peaceful and democratic. Our fifth top story, General Aturujong has the shortest term as CDF, Chief Defense Force. Now let's look at the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF. This week, General Dawa Aturujong made history, but not in the usual way. He became the shortest serving Chief of Defense Forces since the SPLA was created in 2005. He was appointed on July 7, 2025 and removed on October 8, 2025, serving only 3 months and 1 day. The longest serving CDF was James Osmai, who served from June 2009 until April 2014, almost 5 years. Here is a quick list of the ships since 2005. Let me share the picture with you. You can see it here. Oyai Deng Ajak, he served from 2005 up to 2009. James Osmai from 2009 and up to 2014, and then you look Paul Malong, won 2014 to 2017. James Ajongo Mawut from 2017 to 2018. Gabriel Jok Reak from 2018 to 2020. Johnson Juma Okot from 2020 to 2021. Santino Dengwol from 2021 to 2024. Dr. Paul Nang Majok from 2024 to 2025, first term. Dao Aturujong Nyol from July to October 2025. Dr. Paul Nang and Majok, October 2025, second term, currently the one who is now serving as the CDF. This frequent change of army chief show instability inside the military leadership. Stability is very important for national security. So many people hope that the current leadership will last longer. Let's take a look at what Paul Nang said. Paul Nang removed checkpoint. The new CDF, Dr. Paul Nang Majok, has ordered the removal of all checkpoints across South Sudan. This is the first big decision after his reappointment as Chief of Defense Forces. In his earlier term, he gave the same order, but it was later reversed. Now he's repeating it again. Already, the Bongo checkpoint on Bargazal Road has been removed. For ordinary citizens, this is they say this is welcome news. Many people complain about checkpoints, saying they are places where soldiers harass travelers and collect illegal money. Removing them can improve free movement of people and goods. However, the real test will be in the coming week. Will all checkpoints truly be removed, and will soldiers respect the order? Well, what you are seeing here might bring violence, because most of the time we see when checkpoints are being targeted or being removed, it means that there's something fishing. It means that the SSPDF will surely target the SPLIO. So they just do this, just a way of declaring war, okay, against SPLIO. Chana right ka jo me mishalat gwasame. Akanyam gor jano bana right ka lertinyam. Akan kono nyami jiram jidit gor jano gender lerti der kaling bana right ka leri to shop ke DH ke bakel gwasame. And kan kono nyami jiram jidit gwas gor jano gen der subscribe ko the notification bell der jetwan ka Changfied YouTube channel ko mi chete mi braida sho mala shubikeji. Chana je to ka leranyam ko gor konde content to de konkeling. Du county ka jongle state chala do shaok ti jendang di du badak shaka logiken agenda na banling ke sarde in paiwa chala do ka tuktiang ke chang ko the paiwa chala go doran shal ke poktap ano sha ne ti jelko ka twitch is county ti chi oken jikan kanang lo kan gwad mo dong de oken de ka lak tin ka wal chikan agor de kan wutin ko ngai ko na pinja te computing one. One guadamocho take an edge jelka match to chew walk Twitch is can't you can call nang. Jawkin a torch waka page. Twitch is commissioner would challenge Georgia rock Chelaro and Janok to Kudang Jok Chaka page Kakanade tone. No. Jenichaka qual. But Kakora to Duke Commissioner John Chatim Chelaro and a Jenichikan investigation chicken a lot. A canoctin Konishanang, she cocked to Kudang Jok, although she would shall come a Georgia rock, Twiggy's commissioner check a catch. Octin Chanang a walk a oxygen bangwan to bangwan. Jan Octin Chanang, oxygen bangwan chicken coquin. She walked to Kudang doctor to Kudang doctor Tishala, but she can number, she can exaggerate it, Kajo chocolate was a me Jen Wood me like Duke Commissioner John Chatim Pelado Nena. She can oxygen deal the badak, she can kajak, no. Do not oxygen one with the kelmora can inject tam gorka, but can oxygen dang dear badak, jagajak, a baka loinet in corn till a jang, and occur near to kangare, Twitch is, Tajoma chajalat. But oxygen one would a duck a till what jakatin, co chaka, narki chaga, your native condition. Mission a may watch attention chajano the calm can't in dangro. Dug leader, and a chicala and walk to chananka Twitch is, a chika to chop kudang the oxygen bangwan. Twitch is leader chala work agent cock to kudang dok muno awana chinaring at and was my coach in a chick chicken carep kachala and oshi chicken pay or chick to kudang dok commissioner chatim chala drone Jenny Twitch is county dek book or codicho jan one buckle can ganang bekan the lojok walk to jan one buckle to janang and edicha qual jangba a wagur kaka jan one buckle chagananga Nanka Duke, Generic Conin to Duke County, chicken job magican a lot. Do not Twitch is Commissioner Arok, Chela de Dona Mo, she talk the lock to Chapalo, Gen Money Buckle. Jelana Gen were Ram Kelcho, the Barony Chok, Joy buying pink a door, but Anna Shelat Kajem. So can would young American talk and a gelat Guazadan and Tuogre. So Duke Commissioner Chela Gur Canok Gen Money Buckle, the Chapala Nekaka, they can loinate and content we could Duke. Joke and Jang and till take Twitch is, but can Korean link. So much in the me Lucha Lechi can our link or Ramame a genital hawk Tichanang, Kashi Duke Commissioner Chok Chakolo Jok, Oxygen did Badak, a teacher Luja can contilla Twitch is ko Chako Jek. Kakor me shelling and Chak Chaka Pal Neka, Choneka Choko Gur, Oxygen did Badak, Chako Jeka, Barok Jan Manical Kankajako, Jan Bangon. But report Chato Bakani con la Jang, Elat can walk to Kudang, but Chalaro Shi and America. antama chicken demand le nyoko mulat ken no ken ti jen wan bakel kanan loika kana gor kan ok to gor kan kan ok ton baratama ken karen ling nyono ngode tekare raj bad men gware jen go chawk jen dang die wide badak chaga je ka chaga lo ne content ka twitch is chajo me chajo kwen lere dien bana nyoko mu kwen kono gwasa me netin content ka Vietnam la diniken wa UN peacekeeping force wati ga deni ken cha jagre wi ka South Sudan ne de content la mal la kana wi alet chen ne de kono gangana na me der la news mu ga kodi ala United Nation mission ra wi ka South Sudan ala UNMISS no wa ken la kana jekte ba mal ba je bi gitiya ka mi mo che jek en wode ken de ken kono wa chicken wun mishale shutwa captain shutwa chicken replace ke chicken ger ke wun mishale me jarwang no me jarwang me warami chi janya lung chelet ne ka Congo ka African Republic la Central African Republic cheletin ka chelet gondo ko kienbo chelet ke 2022 o 2023 rone tarkeje so no mo mi chiro de la den wo chicken rame chicken kwany na me nyu de jeno council Sudan kanapel win mono den agenda na le rode teme chala do ba de ti ba kana ngai wi ka Sudan ko big na biken ka gang lat ken no ba dere gwano de election de jelat ko cha goro bete ko ko ngwanta bu to rai wi ka Sudan another funny story gwat me banaling banajeling ka Catholic Church rai which ka Kenya take a joe micho lat gwas me median ling and me wachi cheteke Catholic Church she can kwang la wine kala kana met ka kwang kwang mo la te re lwakot an kwang nen kon mo gwat me chala ren go wachi kana ger kwang me la te la kana let nyam lwakot la jamat ke ai wine kwang Catholic Church la kana met ka ke hol wine la kwang me la mat kana jeken la kana kwang che jek wala kana let gwada la kana palten ba jamata na jen la ja lene ko la local company re duarin winimi chachu la dre lo akot ka Catholic Church lo me la mat ke ne dial mi ran bamba mat lo mat ke jeneti kone la kwar lo akot chiran bilo madra la cha madla madre lo akot no jen ta tegeten but ka korga me dane chicken introduce ko chalaran go jene hol wine ki wine mi cha pot ken lo mi she ma dong point bo pal bitu go begalat wachi ne dialen content re which bari o teli chicken within koken wine chicken wine mo yegana ko jena kok re o teli kala na da ni rara kam go da kona menatin jay kamrar and na money kwang la ya matke enran ram ma da be duna mat be gujino holi ko chaja put ko matke re lwa ko de kul kandi chaja mat chicken gujino mi chamu gaden badil mat ko teli batem chukul to gwada me chijilwa ko tilodin che jiak chi Catholic bishop tilodin che jiak chikinyan conference of Catholic bishop chicken dol kala no ba kwang mo ba jeger chicken kwang lodin chicken introduce menen kon mo gwasa me an kwang mo chicken nyo ger wajin no South Africa chicken jokle chicken mo ni ke silwa ko many bottle ke wilede chaje mo ke seal mo cha level ke cholwa ko chicken tan bo en bishop ba chika tantin can charge book ka shop ka charge book kok gwada de kok tun it cannot be sold in normal shop ka jawran kelat ke je ko charge gno na la kan wiya ma le kan charge ngar mlalo ma do men bare ma kan che je ka kan e dungoli which mean that anybody should drink that but chicken look Archbishop Maurice Muatia Makumbe kelado wonene ajena gune no binetin dialtin go tin cha yar no bine kari aleka ba wine ba jamare lwakot jen nyokano riem Jesus lat keje key people drink wine. This wine represent the blood of Jesus Christ during mass gwada dan and palkeje ajene riem muka riem mitiem kani Yesu keje ki tim gani jisa kajem ajena tam chakula ngar ne dialo mat ka jeno chikinyan Catholic mete mela ne to get 10 million kana paltin chikana no ba kwanga mo ba jeger ko charge bila kok chikane ro kona ta ka kwang nyam chikane palka chang bai mat ka bari ki ka ki nya tel me bikala nangtin ko chikan ta ka kwang lo dien mi chikan realaka no ajene kwang ame cha je de mat chit ka der alcohol ko la maske che jo mo che jalat so right now bia nga je nodi ji catholic church mat ka kwang wa nyamo ken teleriek chikane yo ger ka korga me cha nga je no mat ke jen kwang mo re lwa ko chwa yo gor bone dia la kon ta ka bari ken yo ke je no ko mo mat re lwa ko de chu man je duel ka tsungni ke ko tele ko kene mugwa bata mu chaga nyom wana ka jen the same kwang but different one lo ko chaje bil produce and tongomi but what do you think gwayan ode na de ma to kwang anyway na me policy don catholic church so tele kering mat kana but kan ne te ko kenan kon te lo kun gwayan ode kwang de jamat wala shagwa so mini yorbin gwado ma kwang mishala wanya of course ne diala chika waka wanya na ta nas karodian kan chima dona so jen ta da ling but kwang chejek jaga kaji kajaga kana bade but ko chikan lat ka ngot kian no ba jamat okay bukana mat but mengai kon latok wanya gwa sim gwa jaga otherwise mengai kana gwa chikana de lo woje no ba jamat juwe de mat bo mena bare mena etiene ko mugwa me holi latok but ko bikana lo ngoge lo kono jajo nen gwa de me ka mat kare lo ko mi jek ma gweje no chi chong baka okay anyway what is your suggestion mini gorpin gwa don kirma ya di chiga je kana kwara rawda la kwara rawda ka South Africa ka kui malka president Salva Kiir chikan je ka South Africa deputy president Paul Mashitele michi bere which ka juba ka ken konintiti chikandaro chika rajen wonene de malder tutin ko de long lasting peace de la Republic South Sudan kana chika agree ko ba mal ba jin implement gwada dana chika right tin long chika right ka kui permanent constitution la bongwani chika nyo right ka security arrangement chika right ka national election mambalat ke 2026 kana dang dokon ko ni kan focus tin long no ngai kona South Africa connected tin content go jeno de South Sudan der te kamal but mugo ko ne ti cha de gor la tok bano de mal der ben cause mugor kan mal tok che ben wal no can she can South Sudan can support during struggle can can metem bango da bako ne South Sudan ko ne support ko der te kamal but mal ba benedi mal me jengne ken ke kin me yadi ken ne ko ken la jikir chicken jeka the partners so be mal ba benedi so ngore ba mal bu me but anyway chiga jeka ta da na shalinga jagwata me je report an chicken lat chana right ke wuri shal ke general Aturu Jong general Aturu Jong wajen che story che jamek en go jen kwara nyam mi sha kwanya la chief of defense minister mi jitene jen ka pet karodian pet dang jok no chana jamin go gwada me ka do badanan chalat ke je mena jenen gwaza men ko go jen be nya ya kel wa general dawa Aturu Jong chitene jen ka pes dang jok karodian no general dawa Aturu Jong nyol jen cha kwanya ne chikon dia langach ka cha je wik ke jen pai mene jen kwanga je ka chang baro ka pai baro ron kin daro jen dang ro dich ko cha je wik ke chang badak ka pai wero ron kin dang ro jen dang ro dich alo jen che wik nin ka che wik pa dang baro korodien chane men gui gwada waji me so ma jaram dan ci janye lung gwadi dan te kwerka la ship of defense force ko cha kam ship of defense force ni ga 2009 wona ga 2014 you know ngai kona wara jenje te rundang diech kwerka ko jaram yedane kwanwer kwarna ga tere dia mangai indiala ramadan chiru la muje kon tai dan chiru ke je o yai denga jak chiru ke 2005 wo ga 2009 jeme so ma chiru ke 2009 wona ga 2014 Paul Malonga wan cheruike 2014 woga 2017 James Ajongo Mawut cheruike 2017 woga 2018 Gabriel Jokriak cheruike 2018 woga 2020 Johnson Juma Okot cheruike 2020 woga 2021 Santino Deng Wol cheruike 2021 woga 2024 Dr. Paul Nang Majok cheruike 2024 woga 2025 Jerama jen first time gaje Dawa Aturu Jong nyol cheruike July woga October ala pai baro wona ka pai wel ke 2025 lo jen te ka pa joko rodien Dr. Paul Nang Majok chanyo ko mo ko ingaje tama ka jen October ma ke pai wel me 2025 jen second time kaje je Ramadan ro jen tama so na me di na ngach en wude me mi cha kwanya mi shal ke Paul Nang tama take order pa to betam bialing tam ka jala man Paul nang che order mi dit che tum ne breaking news Dr. Paul nang ma jogram cha kwanya la Chief of Defense Force ka gwa dawa turjong right now che order che your opinion ba all checkpoint ba remove checkpoint ni tin kon la ga de dom ni chala do ba kan dial ba ka remove bane ngaji no ne me she jen first time ka jeno ba checkpoint ba ka remove no ka gwa de da ne cha kwanya je ko jen je te pet ba ka lo pet baro ka kwenye nyam jen second term no ka je ka office me da ne me banwar ba kula nak jen me chelel gen yam checkpoint che ka wo checkpoint shu kana go no bikan kuma spila yo bikan ka dakdor gon ko anti ka tan ma che order den che nyong mo to beje kan checkpoint dial ba ka dil wo no jen do ba dan che la da tam checkpoint te ka bongo checkpoint ka bargazal che je wo jen tar mi chala checkpoint tar turbil ba chong an turbil ba jalora bang so mi chirena me ngai kon dial no mi cha je declare declaration of war ki kor okay again ta dan le ro den tam re wichin winami bukon ngaji no she wuda mem chalga po nanga she odor mo de dien che nyom yore pin no tel mi chalga checkpoint ka checkpoint ne me dan ke 2014 me jikin ya dije tok so kor je tok ko kuma spelayo right now the same thing pol nang ko ngeje ko ba kor ba jelat again ta dan de tin no so ne me channel right ketin kon lat korodian me jiram jidid gwasa me gorno jin bi channel bi subscribe ko bi notification bar bi jetwan committee mi ci bare be choma la shube keji gorno jin ba bichar ba ja to bu gwata mani ani bi atakamal bye bye